How's it going, everybody? It's DNUTZ at auto.com. I'm just kidding. Anyways, sitting around, fooling around in my garage, playing with some of my toys, get a little bored. So I decided to see what was going on with my '03 Silverado. It's 5.3, 1500. Number 2 and number 8 cylinder getting misfires. So I decided to take the fuel rail off and see what was going on with the injectors. So if we walk over here, flip this around. All right, making our way through my horde here. All right, here's the fuel rail. So got it out. Number 2 is in because I removed and replaced it yesterday just to see what kind of performance would change. Even though it wasn't that dirty, it actually changed quite a bit, the performance anyways. So there's your fuel rail. There's all your injectors. That's 1, 3 through 8. Just like 2, 1 doesn't look bad, but it wasn't getting any readings. 2 was. It didn't look bad either, but I mean, shit, the performance changed drastically. Anyways, this is where the problem is. Look at 8. I mean, my phone's sort of crappy, so they say the 10s are supposed to be really resolute, but that don't look too clear to me. I'm not really much of a videographer, but anyways, that's the problem. It's got brown gunk, carbon buildup, whatever that is, all jammed up in there. There is no fuel getting in there at all. So clean all these up, and going back in. One thing I want to point out, when you're removing these O-rings, and you're going to have to remove the O-rings to soak the tips in some sort of solvent so you can get the carbon off. Be careful. I tore this one right here. You can probably get a kit at a local auto parts store. Not a big deal. But yeah, so in the next video I'll probably go ahead and seeing as I didn't show you how to remove it, I'll video the reinstallation after. Actually, the next video I'll show you all how to clean everything, and then I'll show you the reinstallation, and we'll fire it up, clear the codes, see if everything runs fine, and that'll be it. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye.